That hurts. Don't try at home. Today's video is about the flying kicks, how to use it for a fight, but also how to achieve them. These 5 easy steps. Welcome back for the daily Kung Fu training and tutorial. How to use it, the flying kick for fighting. Flying kick is very powerful kick. Normally, you are running to your opponents, you take out with a jump in the air, and then you throw that kick. Your kick with all the power and your body weight. This is powerful kick than normal side kick or front kick. Normally, we are not through a jumping kick with a far distance because when you're running to your opponents already can read how you jump, what movement you gotta apply. So most time this happen only in the film. The good timing to use it, the flying kick, mostly during a fight. You throw your punch, you kick, you rotate. So your opponents, without pay attention, what do you do? And that is a good chance you throw a flying kick. Another way to use a flying kick, fight with your opponents. Keep your opponents busy, keep distance closer. Once it's a good chance, you can to throw the kick. Another situation to beat your opponent hard, make sure he cannot stand up, make sure he cannot fight back, then that is a good chance you can do whatever you want. You can do flying kick. And the other one, have your opponents lose balance. This is the good chance to show your flying kick. Learning Kung Fu just like a cooking. Take steps. So follow me for the daily Kung Fu training and tutorial. Jumping side kick. Landing and connect to spinning hook kick. Great movement, jumping side kick. Jumping side kick, you run to the target and you jump in the air. It is very powerful movement. So the first move you need to know is the side kick. So you both hand on somewhere you can attach to, put your weight, and you go, knee lift. And you kick to the side way. So you kick the side, follow the line from the right to left. So this is the right way. Boom, straight line from A and to B. A and B. A and B. If you kick the wrong direction, it doesn't apply as much power as the straight line. So this is the side kick. So now we're going to jumping side kick. Let's start jumping side kick. Jumping side kick. Let's leave your left knee. So just jump your right. You touch out and you jump straight. So that's the first move. And then same. You put a hand somewhere. You can jump because your body have to lean this way. You can make good side kick. So you go jump. You say your movement in the air will be lean to this way and you go bend the knees. So once you have this and you go boom kick. That's the jumping side kick. 1. So that's how you do jumping side kick. 1 shot. Tornado kick. The first move you need to do is just knee lift left and your right leg. You can't able to jump but one leg, right? Just training muscle you can to get stronger and you can support you to jump. And 1, 2, 3, and to take out and let this side. The same thing this way. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Hey, practice. You will get this. 1, 2, 3. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Perfect. The next move you need to know is the inside kick. The kick, you go this way and go inside. Like this.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Thanks for following me for the tornado kick tutorial for beginner. So follow my steps. The easy steps. I'm guaranteed you will achieve the tornado kick. Thank you, my friend, for following me this long and support me all the way. I'm really happy to have you as my audience and students. Since I upload the first video until now, about 2 years, I did a lot of videos. The things that keep me going is not only about how much subscriber I have and how much views I have. The very important thing to make me going is the connection with you. I feel through this camera in the other side and someone watching me, and they are also training with me. And everyone live this life, they need a purpose, and one of the important thing is a good habit. I hope Kung Fu training is your daily training habit, and this is only to make you better, because it's been proved by me, because I training Kung Fu whole my life. Even now I doing performance, I'm teaching and training myself to make me happy, to reduce stress, to make myself strong, not only physically, also mentally. I feel so lucky I choose this sport of arts, and I hope I can pass on and share this knowledge to you. So, the Sifu JJ is right here and never stop to training, learning, and teaching. I hope you can keep up your good work. Stay strong, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. I see you in next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.